Being a fellow engineer, it intrigues me to explore its application in unconventional disciplines, which makes me ask you about your perspective on how engineering has helped you play a role in your business today.
So, in my opinion, I believe engineering is not necessarily uh, an education in a particular field, but I think it's an idea. I think it's a way you look at a problem. It teaches you to be analytical. It teaches you to be logical and precision. Because without precision, engineering fails. So all these three aspects you start learning in right from the base, and you perhaps don't understand the importance of all these factors when you are studying them, but they start playing a very important role in the decisions that you make. Being analytical and logical has probably helped me in my entire career. You start looking at every problem analytically, and the mysteries go away. You are able to take a better decision. Be able to take a better business decision with analytical um, identification. 99% of our life is ruled by logic, and sometimes, many times, we fail to accept that. And engineering has helped me make my decisions logically. Yes, sometimes they have not been precise, but the logic has again found a way to bring me to find solutions which have worked. And third one is the precision. One of the greatest things, one of the things that I learned in America was to be precise. Uh, there was only one winner, and it was a very, very highly stressful job, and there was no option to fail. And the only thing that probably um, allowed me to do my job well was to understand precision. So yeah, these three aspects of which are the fundamental pillars of engineering have guided me through all the decisions, may it be business decisions, or coming over here, or working with my clients, or giving decisions to my people.
Right. So would you also say that it helps you to have a very detailed logical reasoning behind everything that you decided to do?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, yes, we are all human beings, and a sound mind doesn't always prevail. But once again, you are brought back to your fundamental teachings, and logic becomes a very important part of every decision that you take. And eventually, decisions are taken with logic in mind.
Right. Uh, Also, sir, if I may ask, in a business that you are in today, how is it helping you as an engineer? Would you be able to cite some very clear example that you are benefiting from?
Um, so most of my time today goes in dealing with our team members, and we have over 100 of them today. And as you know, even with two people, you have conflicts, you have different ideas, you have two minds working and having two independent opinions. And we are a very independent, driven company, which means we allow our people to speak their mind. And when we have this kind of company allowing 100 people to speak their mind, obviously you need a moderator and a mediator to be able to get the right solution. So in this case, the analytical skills have probably helped me most, because in analytics, 1 plus 1 is always 2. In logic, sometimes 1 plus 1 may not equal 2, but in analytics, 1 plus 1 is always 2. So which means it's very easy to convince people using logic, and it's very difficult for somebody to argue analytics. So that has helped me a lot in through my entire career, especially right now when I am mostly dealing with people.
Right. I think that's a very interesting perspective. Definitely something that I can put in place.